Good evening. Hello, everyone, my dear listeners. My name is Preeti Shroff Singh. I am a corporate trainer having an experience which is very long, and I don't want to intimidate you. And here today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. That topic might help you in the long run. શું તમને લાગે છે કે તમે ક્યારેક ક્યારેક બોલી નથી શકતા લોકોની સામે? તમને ક્યારેક એવું લાગે છે કે બોસની સાથે મીટિંગ તો છે, મારે કેવું છે બહુ બધું, પણ મારી પાસે શબ્દો નથી, હું બોલીશ તો કેવું લાગશે મને નથી ખબર. ક્યારેક તમને એવું લાગે છે કે પાર્ટીમાં કે મીટિંગમાં કોની સાથે શું બોલવું, લોકો સાથે શું વાત કરવી એ નથી ખબર. શું તમને એવું લાગે છે કે ભાઈ મારી પાસે હું સમજદાર તો છું, ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ છું, પણ આ લોકોની સામે કઈ રીતે હું મારી વાત રાખું એ મને થોડો ધ્યાન નથી, યા બોલું તો છું પણ કોઈક વખત છે ને ગડબડ થઈ જાય. આ બધાની સોલ્યુશન છે મારી પાસે. આજે હું તમારી સાથે જે વાત કરવાની છું એ આ છે. I have 5 tips to solve this problem of the fear of public speaking. Now, public speaking doesn't mean that you have to speak in front of tens, thousands people. No. Public speaking is even if you're talking to one person who is not known to you, a group of people who are not known to you, or maybe you are talking in front of either your boss or in front of an alien crowd. Now you must be wondering, okay, that fine, okay, that I can speak in public, I can talk sometimes, yeah. I'm going to discuss only 5 tips, only 5, that can help you. The first one is very simple. The first tip is practice, practice, practice. Now you must be wondering, what is she talking about? તમારે અગર ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપવું છે, તમે બધે ત્યાં અપ્લાય કરો છો, પણ તમે પોતાને પ્રેક્ટિસમાં રાખ્યું, પ્રિપેર કર્યું કે તમે તમારું ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ કેવી રીતના આપશો? યુ હેવ ટુ પ્રિપેર યોર ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ beforehand. How do you do that? Most of the times recruiters or people who are from the HR, they call you anytime. Maybe you're doing something, maybe you're relaxing, and suddenly they call you for an interview. How are you going to say? You say my name is and I'm Preeti, you see. So don't rehearse it, but prepare for yourself. So prepare what you're going to say in the interview. There is a constant question which is asked in all companies, either take me through your resume, tell me about yourself. There are many such questions which are asked. If you are giving your interviews now, you Google search the most difficult questions asked in an interview. You will get a list of them. And what you do is you just prepare on each question. You're not memorizing it. You're just preparing it. You take a phone or you look at the mirror and you sit there and you talk about yourself. So tell me about yourself first. You will say, my name is Preeti. Then you move on to your location. Where are you from? Then you talk about your experience if you have. Then you talk about your education. Then you talk about your family. Then you talk about your hobbies. You also be prepared with your strengths and weaknesses. Because these strengths and weaknesses, they ask you in order to know if you know yourself better. Once you're prepared with this gives you a lot of confidence in front of everyone. You don't have to stutter, stammer. It's easy. For all the questions which are there, if you prepare it like this, it's easy for you. The second tip, think in English. Now હવે તમે વિચારશો કે ભાઈ હું તો ઘરે તો બધા ગુજરાતી બોલે, હું પણ ગુજરાતી બોલું, હવે મારી પાસે કેવી રીતના એ ઓપ્શન છે કે હું think in English કરું? Very good question. You designate 1 hour of your day in talking in English to yourself. We have 70,000 thoughts daily in our mind. Imagine. Now those thoughts, suppose you're sitting here, so say I'm sitting here, I'm talking to myself. This is a thought, you are phrasing that into a statement, and you're saying it. Is it simple? It is. If you just designate this 1 hour, you see how changes start to happen. Suppose you don't know what is the English word for this word, you go and look it up. It is that much. It's so simple. So thinking in English is your second motto. You become better and better. Now you must be wondering, Preeti, I don't want to be a public speaker in English. I'm comfortable in Gujarati. Fine. Public speaking can be in any language. Whatever you are planning to talk about, you structure it. You structure it in such a way that it appeals to the public. અગર તમે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલવા માંગો છો તો ગુજરાતીમાં સ્ટ્રક્ચર કરો અને એને રેડી રાખો. એવી રીતના એવા વર્ડ્સ યુઝ કરો જે સામેવાળાને ગમે. ટ્રાય ઇટ. You will find it and it will be beneficial. The third thing is very simple. કોઈ પણ એક buddyને લઈ આવો. If you're practicing English, you find a buddy who is good at it and you practice with them. What you do is you talk about any topic. Suppose you're learning French and you want to practice your French and you want to speak publicly in French. Then what you do is you make sure that your buddy knows it slightly marginally better than you, so that they can highlight any errors that you have made, possibly. If not, then even practice also counts. Okay? Very important. Now fourth option. Record yourself whenever you are practicing. જ્યારે પણ practice કરવું છે, record yourself. You make sure that you have recorded your speech and then you hear it back again, so that you can come to know what are the errors that you made, how are you looking, how are you sitting, how does your face look, what is the which lighting is good for you. That way it will help you. Many companies nowadays have video interviews in the pandemic situation. Yes, and after pandemic also, I am sure it's going to continue, because then they come to know how confident the person looks and they can ask them questions straight away. They don't rely most of the times on conference calls. It's mostly on video calls, on Zoom calls. So be prepared for that. Even when you're sitting in a Zoom meeting, how is your lighting? How is the light on top? Is the light falling on your face, or are you in the dark? How are you appearing? What is the background? Are all the clothes hanging in the background? Can you make your background better? What do you want to do? Try that. Okay? The final fifth thing that we talk about is make sure that you get feedback. Whenever you are giving an interview, you can always ask the person that do you have some feedback for me? You will notice that they always do. If you're talking to a friend, you can just ask for feedback candidly, and you will see that the person will say, oh, you know what, this word is not pronounced like this. This word you can have a better pronunciation. You see, it will be better for you. Try to find new words in a vocabulary. Okay, by the way, if you need more such help and more such topics, please ભૂલતા નહીં, સબસ્ક્રાઇબ જरूर કરજો. અને કોઈ પણ કોમેન્ટ હોય કે કઈ ટાઈપની ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝ જોઈએ છે, શું તમને બેનિફિટ થશે, please drop it in the chat, in the comment section. There are many a times I have taken so many interviews. Unfortunately, લોકો નથી પાસ થતા just આના લીધે, just for the first round of interview not going on, and then they don't get the second round at all. So keep these 5 tips. I'll quickly repeat. The first tip is practice anything that you want to go. Second thing is that you think in English for a designated period of time. The third option is that you find a buddy to practice any language. Fourth one is that you record yourself. Okay, and fifth and the most important, ask for feedback. I hope you liked the video today, and I am promising that I will get more videos every day which can benefit you in your communication journey, because communication is the key to decide whether you go far. You may have domain skills, but communication is which projects those domain skills ahead. and most of the times we are speaking impromptu, so might not be prepared for it. With on that note, Preeti Shroff signing off. Take care. Bye bye.